everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Switcha and I make DIY videos for home decor. I usually make it from the dollar store products, but I'm planning to come up with a more like a thrift clips or probably the high-end dupes and many more like that. So if you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos, and let's get started with our first project. So our first project is the garland topper wrap. In this we are going to use the garland as a gift topper. So I started with wrapping my first gift. I'm going to use the basic gift wrap that we usually get because I don't want it to be very colorful. I want it to be very neutral, and I thought I can still make it beautiful. So I used that one. I wrapped my gift just the way we usually wrap, and then I had this garland which I got from dollar store. It's just a fall leaves garland in which I cut the small portion and made a wreath out of it using my fingers. And once I had the perfect and fluffy wreath, I used this twine which I also got in some other craft things that I bought from dollar store. I used that twine to wrap up the wreath around my gift, and this was the final look that we were trying to create. And here we are done with our first project. It's very minimalistic and graceful gift topper. You can still use it in any of the gift wrap that you have. You just have to make sure that you are using the plain gift wrap. It's gonna look more better than that. Now, moving on to a second one. Second one is you can create something that you can create on your own. I used the same gift wrap that I used before. We are going to use the same one in all 4 projects actually. And then I poured some white acrylic paint and added a tiny bit of water in that, just to make it a loose consistency, because we are going to throw that paint on the gift wrap. So I wanted that to be a little liquidy. So, and then I started throwing the paints with my paintbrush, and we were just trying to create the organic design with the white color. And I would suggest the white would be the best if you are going for the neutral decor. You can try for the black, or maybe you can try red and white together if this is for the Christmas. But yes, again, it's your choice. I decided to go with the white one, and then once I was done, I let it dry for about an hour or so, and then I started wrapping my gift with that. Here I created the pocket in my gift wrap. You can definitely skip that part, and you can simply wrap the gift the way you want and use the twine in the end just for the gift topper, or just to enhance the look. One is no stick wrap. I've got to say, in this project we are not going to use tape as a sticking material. We are not going to use anything to stick the gift wrap. This is the tiny trick that you can use to wrap a gift if you don't have a tape, and if you don't want to use a tape, all you need is a gift wrap and a ribbon. And you can follow the same process that I'm doing here. Just have to make sure you're using your both hands and very firmly, very nicely. And it might take a few tries for you to reach to this point. It happened with me too. But yes, once you know how to do it, you are all set to go. And I would suggest that you get a nice ribbon, because the ribbon is the most important part in this project. So I would suggest you get a nice and big size ribbon so you can hold your gift wrap very easily. And in the end, just make sure that you have the nicest roll. And if you're not sure about the knot, you can simply put the top of hot glue just to make it secure. And the last one is the pocket wrap. In this gift wrap, we are going to create 2 or 3 pockets so that you can put the gift card or probably gift topper in that. So you have to make sure that your gift is flat and big in the size to make it flat. And once you have created this, you can follow the same process that I'm doing, and then in the end you will have this result. And there you go. And here we are done with the final project. Thank you so much for tuning in, and if you have enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. That helps me to create my YouTube community. Once again, thank you so much, and I will see you all next week.